2020. You have no idea how much it means to me. Terima kasih kepada semua orang yang telah mengundi KINKINMUT untuk jungle fever previous video yang itu adalah challenge pertama. Terima kasih. So here we are unboxing NYX passwords for top 50. Too bad my box are broken, guys. So expensive guys. Unfortunately, I'm going to throw this away because it cannot be used anyway. My table, I've arranged them. Yes, but unfortunately it's clutch, you know. You see that it comes from this product. We're going to do the challenge 2 theme, which is tribal warrior, but it's not my official look. It's just for review this product and then for swatching them to you guys.
A few moments later.
So I've already used the orange SFX cream color. Next one, I'm going to use this color. It's purple. Yes, this is the cover. SFX cream color in purple shade. I'm going to draw a line in my head, like the headpiece palette from NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Edit. I guess this is the small edition for the full ultimate. This is the full one. Full ultimate. This is the color. I'm going to open up for you guys to see. All of them from this palette. It's very pigment, I can see. I'm going to coat the SFX cream color that I've put in just now with the eyeshadow. I'm going to use the yellow one under the orange color to make a gradient. A beautiful gradient of them. Yes, I'm going to put it. We move to the blusher. It's Sweet Cheeks Glow Creamy Powder Blush. Wow, okay guys, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my god. Why you do me like this? What have I done to you guys? Look at my blush palette. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Like, look at them. Oh my god. Like, I cannot stop saying oh my god all the time. Not because oh my god it's beautiful, but oh my god my blusher are cracked. So next, I'm going to use Rose and Clay for the blush palette. So next, I've got Born to Glow Illuminating Powder. Yes, I guess this one is highlighter, but it's powder highlighter. But
A few inches later.
see, I told you guys. Powder and it's for highlights. Second last, it's a NYX Lingerie Push Up. Lip S09 Corset. So I've done swatching the Off Tropic palette. So this is the color. are going to do a cut crease. So I've done with the concealer. Right now, let's move to the shimmery part. I'm going to take this color. Oh my gosh, I like this color. I love this combination of color. Thank you, NYX. This is the color that I want the most. So let's move to the next eye.
A few moments later.
So I just put my lashes and some eyeliner on my eyes. I want to use this purple, and I want to make a small round purple. From what I've got, what NYX sent me, so this is the final look for the tribal warrior theme. But this is not official, this is just for swatching the product and for you guys to see how it blends on my skin and on my eyes. Stay tuned because I'm going to remove this makeup with micellar water that Garnier sent me. And I'm going to put a mask they sent me because I put a lot of makeup and I want to rest my face with this mask and cannot wait. Yes, I've done my photo shoot just now. I'm going to remove every single thing that I put on my face with this big brother right here. Before you use this oil infused water, you have to shake it. Shake it like that until it dissolves. See? And use the cotton pad. Okay. I'm going to remove my earring first. And I'm going to swipe this area. Oh, see? Okay, so I'm already washed my face. And right now I'm going to use Serum Mask Hydro Balm from Garnier. Wow! Oh my gosh, it smells so good. The look that you have watched just now and what you saw just now, it's not my official look. Just stay tuned for my next video. For next video, it have a very epic storyline. What? I cannot tell you guys. You just stay tuned on this 20th August and the voting start 21st August. So just stay in the line and hashtag Team Kinkin MUT. Yay! See you guys on next video. Bye! I'm going to hydrate myself first. I'm going to sleep. Oh, this mask is so hydrating.